Yeah, I think we got a Hellcat behind us.
He knows we mean business. He knows we mean business. Oh, let's go!
Yeah, I was asking for a chance, and I see you getting all right. I can't understand. Hey.
What is up, Matuire fam? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. For those of you that don't know, my name is Antonio Matuire and I own a 2017 BMW 340i. I know it feels like it's been forever since I've been on YouTube. I do apologize, I've been very sick. I'm actually still a little sick, you can probably hear it in my voice. But I do apologize, it wasn't COVID, it wasn't the flu, I don't know what it was. I got tested. They said it was probably just some virus that's going around. But I am feeling a little better, so I at least wanted to get out a video for you guys for this week. So I actually do have a surprise. I know I've been hinting to you guys for a while now that I'm planning on going drag pack. And I will be getting a drag pack for the 340. So I actually got the wheels in not too long ago. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So before I show you guys the wheels, let me just show you guys what we're working with back here. So right now the rear wheel is an 18-inch wheel. It is 18 by 9.5 in the rear. And the tire is a 275 and it just kind of sticks out just a little bit. I'm actually rubbing, believe it or not, when I hit bumps. And you can kind of see that right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's some rubber from my tire. But they're the exact same size as my Michelin Pilot Sports were, but I never had a rubbing issue with my Michelin Pilot Sports. So that was news to me, but just normal day-to-day driving, I feel like I struggle with traction. And so I do think we need some more meat back here. With that being said, I did get some 17-inch wheels, but I do love my Oddhon wheels, so I didn't want to get rid of the Oddhon wheels in the front. So that being said, I'll just give you guys a quick sneak peek. I don't want to show you guys too much because it's going to be a whole separate video of when I get these mounted. But I just give you guys a little sneaky peeky. But there you go. There you go, a little sneaky peeky. So I will be running these in the rear with some Mickey Thompsons. I'm going 275/40 in the rear. It's going to be super meaty back there, more meaty than these ones. So hopefully I do get the grip that I'm looking for. And like I said, I did want to keep the Oddhon wheels up front. That's why I went with the bronze. I didn't want to go silver or black in the rear and then keep my bronze wheels up front. I just thought it would look more cohesive if I got a bronze wheel for the drag pack. But like I said, we're not gonna go too much into that because it's gonna be a whole separate video of when I get those mounted and I'll get some times and just see how sticky the Mickey Thompsons are. So that's enough in the garage. Let's go ahead and go out on a drive and I'll kind of just talk about some more things that I plan on doing to the car. And we'll get some pulls as well. Shout out to the wife's new whip. She got rid of the Tacoma. For all the OG subscribers, you know she used to have a tan Tacoma. But this Kia kind of nice. Whew, starting to get a little nippy out here, man. It's not even December yet. And in Vegas, shit, I don't know what's going on. What's today? What's the weather? 57 degrees. I just hate winter time because the sun starts going down so early. It's literally only 4 o'clock and the sun's already setting. Like, it's ridiculous. But it is good boost weather. So I'm actually on my way right now to go get some gas. But while I'm on my way there, I did just kind of want to talk about what I plan on doing with the car. So like I said, drag pack is definitely coming next. I already got the wheels. I'm just waiting until next week to see if the Black Friday deals will have the Mickey Thompsons on sale. I'm not too hopeful, to be honest. I mean, they're Mickey Thompsons, so I don't think they're gonna be on sale. I don't ever remember seeing Mickey Thompsons on sale in the past. I could be wrong, but we'll see this year if they plan on doing something. So I do want to finish up the car, but get all the mods at a decent price, if that makes sense. So I mean, I'm just like everyone else. I like saving money too. I don't, always get sponsorships, or I don't always get parts sent out to me for free. So most of the time, I'm paying for the parts just like anybody else would. But I am at the gas station, so let me go ahead and pump this gas. All right. What the hell? Go ahead and get out my handy dandy E85 calculator. I think right now I'm right at, I would say like 20% full. So 8.26 gallons. I can do that. Am I the only one that happens to? The trunk always just open. If you stand like back here, I know there's a sensor on the bottom of your car, but my trunk always opens by itself. 7.8 gallons of E85, that should be good. Go ahead and fill up the rest with, ooh, almost caught me slipping. You almost saw my code. I like it, bro, I like it. No, it looks good, man. Looks real good. Oh man, I'd be pissed. Oh, I see that, yeah. Dang. And man, it looks super clean. Super clean.
Knock it off.
Dang, this thing's always opening up.
You, knock it off.
Alright, she's pissed. Yeah, I think we got a Hellcat behind us. It's funny, when I try to go out and do a Hellcat hunting video, I can never find but when I'm just cruising trying to be peaceful, that's when they come. Oh yeah, it's a Hellcat. Oh, let me get the GoPro ready. Oh, where you going, brother? Where you going? Yeah, so there it goes right there. There's the Hellcat. I'm still recording on this one too. But yeah, I mean, I didn't plan on coming out here and making a Hellcat hunting video, but when duty calls, duty calls.
Oh yeah, he knows we mean business. He knows we mean business. Oh, let's go! Yeah!
Just wait till we get another straightaway. Hold up. Let's go. Hey, hey, let's go. Hey, hey, let's go. He had flame shooting at the back and everything. I hope this is recording good. I can't even tell. I hope so. I'm telling y'all, every single time I'm like, okay, today I'm gonna go out, do some Hellcat hunting. Let's see what we can find, guys. I don't find nothing. And the days where I'm like, you know what, let me just chill and just, you know, tell everyone what I plan on doing with the 340. And then boom, Hellcat. That loud as hell though. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. That shit was like ridiculously loud. Oh, yes sir. Oh, we got it. We gotta keep up. We gotta keep up. Okay, okay, we in there. We in there. Oh yes, sir. You know what I want. You know what the business is, Mr. Hell Kitty. Oh, I don't think he's getting on the highway. That's okay. Do some nice little runs on the back road, baby. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. Okay, I had tried to go beside him, but damn, we lost him at a light, y'all. So I tried to get beside him to line up to him. You know, I tried to flex a little bit, so I gave him a nice little vroom vroom, you know what I mean? But he was stuck behind a car, and then the light turned red, and I'm gonna go see if I can find him. And that shit was loud. Why I always bring the GoPro? You never know. You never know. Oh, this dude's truck's open. I wonder if he knows. Excuse me, brother. Looks like the rear of your trunk is open. I think he might know. Oh yeah, he knows. Okay, as long as you know. It's always fun just being out here though, and just seeing the cars. 9 times out of 10, people don't really want to race like that. Like, take this Hellcat for example. Like, he just turned off. Like, people got things to do, you know what I'm saying? Just because you drive a Hellcat doesn't mean you're going out every single day just looking for people to race. When I see someone out and about with a nice car and I try to race them, I mean, obviously they know they're in a nice car, so they'll kind of give me like a pull or two, but they're not really like just down to just race, because like I said, we all got stuff to do, you know what I'm saying, at the end of the day. All right guys, we are back in the garage just like that. Wasn't able to get too many clips outside. Like I said, it started getting dark super early, But that wasn't the whole point of today's video. The whole point of today's video was for a couple of things. One, I just kind of wanted to give you guys a rundown of what's been going on, and apologize for me not posting as often because I have been sick. You can still hear it in my voice a little bit. And two, I really just wanted to let you guys know the future plans for the 340, just to kind of keep you guys in the loop of things. Kind of know on the channel we really haven't been doing a lot of installs, been a lot of POV drives. So I know a lot of you guys are waiting on fueling. A lot of you guys are waiting for me to do a lot of things with the car. But I assure you it is coming. I was just waiting for the right moment to buy them. And Black Friday is looking like the right moment to buy everything. So a lot of mods to come in the near future for the 340. And once it has the drag pack and it has the proper fueling, we'll be making about 650 wheel horsepower, and this thing's going to be an absolute monster. Also, let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the wheels that I selected for the drag pack. Like I said, I didn't want to go too in depth about those because that's going to be a completely separate video. But just like that, that wraps up today's video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel and you like content like this, please consider subscribing. And like I said, there are some more mods that are coming for the 340, so you're not going to want to miss it. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps me out tremendously. And as always, Matwire fam, remember your goals and don't stop till you reach them. Peace.
Excited just to see me, wish I felt the same way. Later on she'll probably get a name change. People changing on me like they gained weight. I wish that I waited on a